So this is my current design. I'm going to do one piece at the front, shorter, the back piece is a bit longer, and the sleeves here. And I'm going to do it like an apron, put over the head. This is how it's supposed to look like. I cut an old pajama, and to test this, I will leave this open because I have to allow cold weather to wear a jacket beneath, otherwise it will be too tight. Okay, let's see how it goes. The front piece should look like this. I already draw the position of the light here. I'm planning to put 200 at the front and 200 at the back. The back piece will be longer. So now I've cut all the paper shape. The next thing I need to do is start drawing. So now I've drawn one piece here, and let's cut. Okay, let's check out my first piece. So that's how it looks like. So this is my second piece. This is the front piece. Let's have a look. So this is my third piece. It's the sleeve. Let's go to here somewhere. Yep. So this is my last piece. So I will ask a friend of mine to sew the costume for me, and this is the outcome. She has done a very good job. So now I have to put it over my head. Luckily it wasn't too small. Now the arm's still hanging around. I haven't thought about how to close this here. The back is a little bit longer than the front. So now I have to start marking the spots for the lights. Let's do it. Now I'm going to use these two plates to make the holes on the paper, like this. Now I'm using my LED board marker to mark through the hole. Here I try to press a little bit. So as you can see, there's a small mark here, but I can withdraw it afterward. So now I've done all the markings. I've got 200 spots at the front and 200 at the back. So basically this one has less light because I need to put some on my sleeves here, and the back looks like this. Now it comes to the difficult task. I need to get the light on the spots. Let's do it. So at the end I've decided to use needle and thread to tie the light on my top. And you can see here it's not the best work. This is a little bit tricky. Should go up again, and you can see here I've still got a lot of work to do. So I've finished attaching about a quarter of the light. I need to start thinking about how to attach the light to my power bank. This is the power bank I'm going to use. I've done another video before. As you can see, my output is here. What I can do is I bought a plug and I can cut the end of the Twinkly line and solder to the plug here. The problem is I will lose warranty. The other way is I bought an extension here from Kogan.com. This is the first time I bought anything from Kogan. I simply take a risk to buy this because it's not mentioned anything with Twinkly, so I was hoping that it will work. By looking at it, it's very similar to Twinkly. And now let me try the other end. So, okay, let's connect it. Yes, so the extension is working. Now I need to cut the extension and put this in there. So I created my converter here by cutting the extension line and solder this plug on this side. I checked the Twinkly power adapter and I can see plus is here. So if I plug this over, then the plus will be on this side. I mark this, and just to confirm, so I plug this in there and I mark this as plus, and you can see, so the white dot is negative. So the soldering hopefully is correct. Let's put everything together and start the power bank. So this is 12 volt, 16, 20, 24. Plug that in. Voila, it's working. Now I have to go back to attaching the lights. Still a long way to go. So after many days of hard work, I finally got all 400 LED attached to my costume. And I also found an old waste bag. So I'm going to use this to carry my power bank. I hope it won't get too hot. So let's try that on. Okay, so let's put the power bank here. And now I need to put the whole thing over my head. I'm holding the controller here because it's hanging around. So let's put the power bank here. Plug that in. And I also put a small ribbon here and on this side as well. I guess I still need to fine tune something. Let's do it for the moment. It's a little bit long. So now I sew this together. So basically it looks like this. Let's turn it on. And get the power voltage right. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Nothing comes out. Yeah, I quite like it. Now I'm going to run some effect on my costume, and this is what you have seen at the beginning of this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you find the video useful, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.